Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I can't figure out my lighting. So if I look gray, I just look gray, but I really do not look gray at all. So today I'm coming at you with a glowy skin, well, a glowy summer tutorial basically. So as you can see, my face is very glowy. I am very natural, and this makeup is very lightweight, and that's what I did want with this tutorial. It was really quick and easy. I did it under 15 minutes, and really it's like I can go ahead, sit down, bing bam boom, and out the door or whatever into this freaking heat. I do think this makeup will last a couple of hours in this heat or whatever, because I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and I have used that for like over a year, and I know what it does and what it stands up for. So if you want to use this in this hot ass summer heat, you totally can. But yeah, I totally love this look. I look very glowy and I look very natural. So basically I'm just enhancing my features, and you know, that's why I am wearing lashes. Some very lightweight lashes, which is what I usually don't go for. You know, usually I always wear my Miami lashes by Lily Lashes, but today I decided to go another route. I actually used the Luxie lashes, and Queen of Everything, that's the name of them. Guys, if you want to continue seeing how I got this look, just continue watching, and also please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I am on a roll, and hopefully I won't be off a roll. I am posting now for the month of July every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to take the Pure Correcting Primer, which is going to give me a really glowy look today, and I'm just going to smooth this all over my face, get it all on my forehead and everywhere else. And as you can see, my skin is already glowing. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation in the color Classic Tan and Cream Cafe, I think. And I mixed those two together. And now I'm just dotting it all over my face first so the product mixes well. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it all out. And like I said before, the lighting in my room sucks. I still haven't figured out how to basically use my camera yet. So even though it looks gray on the screen, it actually does blend in well with my skin, and I'm actually a lot darker. So I'm just making sure to really blend that in, so it just looks very natural for my glowy skin tutorial. Next, I'm taking the NARS Matte Concealer, I think that's what it's called, in the color Biscuit, and I blend it out basically with my fingers first, and then later on I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend it all in too. But I put this underneath my eyes, down my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm covering some darkness around my mouth also. So next I'm taking my Laura Mercier. So we're just going to pat that all over my face, just to set my concealer so it won't budge throughout the day. And this, I'm only laying down a little bit. It looks like a lot, but I'm only putting down a little bit because I still want my natural oils to peek through. So next we're taking my Guerlain bronzer. I'm basically going to use the same brush I used earlier and just bronze out my face. I really only bronze my face. I don't really use contour anymore. This is the best bet for the summertime. Just put down the powder and just bronze up your face. Just blend in a little bit more with my beauty blender. So now I'm going to take MAC's Peaches and Milani Luminoso, and I'm just going to blend those together and put them on my cheeks to give me a really nice rosy, well, peachy flush to my skin. I think I was noticing I was putting too much. So next is the ABH Liquid Glow and Peach Fizz. It's just really like this liquid highlighter that I love oh so much, and gives a really natural glow to the skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks. because this is very pigmented and you don't really need a lot to get that effortless glow. So we're just putting it on my cheeks, blending it out a little bit, and then I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. And this is normally all the places I will highlight anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And as you can see already there, it's really giving me a really nice dewy finish. I really wish my lighting in this video was better, but there's a picture of it on my Instagram. Just follow me at Sierra's Makeup Corner and you'll be able to see it. It's going to be in my description box also. So on top of that, I'm taking MAC's Whisper of Guilt and just blending that on top with a Real Techniques setting powder brush. I like using the setting powder brush as my highlighter brush now because it gives me like this effortless blended out highlight. So I'm basically just going to highlight over the places that I highlighted before with the liquid highlighter, except for I'm adding a little bit of touch on my cupid's bow and my forehead. Next I'm taking the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just taking that awesome reddish orange color and putting it in my crease. Basically this is the only color I'm going to put in my crease because like I said, we're going for a very natural glowy skin look. So there's no point in really doing that much to your eyes if you're not going to do anything else. So next I'm showing you the Luxie lashes and Queen of Everything, which is going to give me a very natural eye. Well, for eyelashes at least. They're really simple and they're really lightweight. And me, I'm just putting more of that shade from the Juvia's Place palette into my crease. And here I'm putting on the Queen of Everything lashes by Luxie Lash, which are very lightweight and natural. And for glue, I use the House of Lashes glue, as always. Next, I'm taking MAC's Cork lip liner, and I'm just going to outline my lip. I'm not going to overdraw anything. I'm just really going to define my lip line. And yeah, I don't really know. Next, I'm taking Maybelline's Truffle, I think. Putting that on first and blending it out. And then I'm going to take a pink lipstick by Maybelline also. And put that right on top to give a nice